Hi, it's Tuesday morning Parramatta Mission, and it's the opening of Aurora NCYC camp as well. It's Tuesday the 6th of January 2014. So what we're having this morning, the youth members from Parramatta, and we also have the Rockhampton, a few from our Rockhampton, they're coming in and they're staying here with us at the hall. So they're having supposedly lunch at the moment. So we've got tuna sandwiches and ham sandwiches for lunch. After lunch, then they'll all go up to UTC, the actual venue of NCYC, where they will have registration and the event begins.
Corcovado parted the sky, and through the darkness on us he shined. Bruised, fighting stone, still his blood is mine.
Someone check it. Check it. Check out. My turn.
Has seen. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed to be a witness. Some have flown away and can't be with us here today. Like the hills of my home, some have crumbled and now are gone. Gather around, for today won't come again, won't come again. I am blessed, 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 I am blessed to be a witness.
And I think like in my life, we'll never do the same thing. Let's see my story. Many of us.
Obedience at the extreme. Can I play? No, thank you.
So much sorrow and pain, but still I will not live in vain. Like good questions never asked, is wisdom wasted on the past? Only by the grace of God go I am blessed. 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 I am blessed to be a witness. I am blessed. 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 I am blessed to be